Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI conversations with a technique that's like tuning an instrument, fine-tuning responses. Get ready to explore how you can iterate on your prompts to sculpt AI's responses into the perfect melody of accuracy and relevance. Ready to fine-tune your AI interactions? Let's jump right into it. Fine-tuning responses is like refining a masterpiece. By iterating on your prompts, you're sculpting AI's responses to achieve that ideal blend of information and context. Think of this as an artist tweaking their work until it's just right. Whether it's adjusting the wording, providing additional context, or clarifying instructions, every iteration sharpens AI's responses to match your expectations. Ready to see this in action? Here are 3 prompts that demonstrate the magic of fine-tuning responses. And guess what? These prompts are all waiting for you in the video description, ready to spark your AI creativity. Prompt 1. Explain artificial neural networks. Now use this enhanced prompt. Provide an insightful explanation of artificial neural networks, focusing on their architecture, learning process, and real-world applications. Prompt 2. Discuss the advantages of renewable energy. Now check this enhanced prompt. Give a detailed analysis of the benefits of renewable energy sources, emphasizing reduced carbon emissions, long-term sustainability, and energy independence. Prompt 3. Describe the role of a project manager. Now try this enhanced prompt. Elaborate on the responsibilities and skills of a project manager, highlighting their role in planning, execution, and team coordination. Curious to know how this works? I decided to experiment with these prompts myself, and the results were remarkable. The iterations allowed me to mold AI's responses to be more precise and tailored. Ready to become an AI response maestro? The prompts we just explored are right there in the video description. It's like having your own AI composer's toolkit. So, my fellow creators, embrace the art of fine-tuning responses. It's your chisel for crafting AI interactions that hit the mark every time. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and let the process of fine-tuning guide you through the world of AI conversations. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to like, subscribe, and comment below.